Hey guys, Brandon here. Just received in the mail recently my Lyft amp. Haven't been doing Lyft that much, but I still qualify to receive one since I have about over 500 rides. Start the unboxing. Hey guys, just got my Lyft amp in the mail. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Remember, check the description below for all my sign-up links for Lyft, Uber, Postmates, as well as Turo and a few other things. So let's dive right in. I haven't really opened the box, so besides cracking the seal, you see right here, we're gonna use your Lyft app setup to set up the amp. Give you your quick instruction tutorial on how to set it up to your phone. I'm guessing it's gonna work exactly like the Uber Light, but here it is. Snatch it out of the box right here. Kind of sleek design. Want to see it at nighttime. I mean, I've seen it in other Lyft drivers' cars, but up close and personal, I haven't seen it. I'm guessing that's the power button. It probably illuminates right around the side, just like the old Lyft Light, the glow stash. I'm gonna miss the glow stash. I'm probably gonna keep it in the car. Put it like somewhere in the center console to illuminate the back seat or something. Charging port. The case. Let's see what's inside. Besides in-car essentials. I really need a tripod. Let me crack this. That's it. Sorry, it was a little tab there to pull everything out instead of me trying to shake everything free. But the charging cable, and the new mount. I'm guessing it's magnetic also. Let's see. The Lyft logo at the base must face the windshield. I guess because it has that little tilt to lean it forward. But let me see if it is magnetic. I saw a different base in another driver's car. It was more like a tripod base. Yes, it is magnetic, so I might not even have to use this one. I might can use the existing one to keep me from snatching it off the dash, but I want to see how it sits. So let me jump inside the car and see how it sits on the existing one, and if I can just leave that in place. All right, let's snatch off the old one. Boy, baby, hot like fire. And let's see. Newt. It's just gonna roll. It's just gonna roll out of place. It is sticking to it, but because of the fact that it has that curved back, it's just gonna roll out of place. So can't use the existing mount from the glow stash. That sucks.
Brandon, thank you, man.
So after startup, and I hope the frames aren't moving too fast so where you can't read it, but it says open Lyft app. It's asking me to open the Lyft app. I put the new base in. I haven't unwrapped it completely yet. I'm still using the existing cable from the glow stash. And it is lit when it's daytime, so I give another view of it at night. Not too excited about it so far. I mean, yes, it's updated. Yes, it's giving me some new features, similar to what the Uber Beacon gives you. except for, you know, it has these greetings on the back. But for the most part, I mean, it looks like a Beats pill. At this point, guys, I had to open up the app in order to get it started and get it paired. And it basically takes you through a step-by-step tutorial. And it's very simple. It's very easy to get through and to use. And I had it set up and going in no time. Here you can see it takes you through how to start the amp after you paired it by activating your Bluetooth. It gives you a description of what it does. You know, as you can see, it goes through different colors depending on the selection that's made by the rider, so they can see you when you coming up. And also, when they get in the car, it tells them hello on that back display that you saw, and it tells their name. It'll give you your battery level when it's low, that mostly when it's about to go off. Uh, but yeah, it gives you some other features on here as well. You know, wireless, when you do the install, it shows you how to do the install. So, you know, basically you can open this up and it'll take you step by step. You know, shows you the placement, where they want you to put it in the car. I mean, some of these drivers just don't care. They stick it all over the place, on the right side, left side. As you can see in my car, I put it in the middle as described. You know, for me, it's easier there. You know, my 12-volt connection is like right below there, right below the radio, so it's easier to connect it there. So I mean, it's more convenient for me to have it there, and it's not in the way up there. So that's the finished product. As you can see, there's a clip of it lit later in the evening. So just to give you guys a fully unwrapped look at it, has a real glossy finish, mirror finish on the front. You know, it looks cool. Again, showing the back where the power button is located. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna install it and try it out tonight. So you can, it's lit right now because I have the app on to make sure that it was working, but you can't really see it because of the fact that I'm outside in this glorious sunshine. It is so beautiful out. But let me go in the house, take a look, see if I can give you guys a better look at it lit, and then I'll also add to the video later on with a nighttime look of it, up close and personal. But that is my amp unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Later.